Hello students, welcome to Science Sanskar online classroom. Welcome to another session of our free online course of mathematics for class 7. In this particular session, you can all see a screen behind me. It is textbook exercise solution part 1. Part 1 due to the exercise is large. So what we do, we divided it into some parts. We will solve each question in each part. Okay, let's begin it. Okay, now you can all see as a question behind me is following number line show the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now there are a number line in which there are some places are written. What we have to give the answer of the following question. The first one is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So you can see that the temperature of places marked on it is, the first question is we have to observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So first we write the places. Here you can see, here first we write the places, then we write the temperature, after it we write the places and then the temperature. The first place is Bangalore, its temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. You can see it on the number line. Next is Ooty, its temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. Next one is Shimla, its temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Next is Srinagar, its temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Next is Lahore Spiti, it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. I think you all get it. Okay, next question is what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Now, which is the hottest and coldest place among the temperature of the hottest place, which is 22 degrees Celsius, it's Bangalore. The temperature of the hottest place, Bangalore equal 22 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the coldest place is Lahore Spiti equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. We have to find the difference. So we find the difference, negative, positive. So 22 plus 8 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. The answer of our second question is 30 degrees Celsius. I think you all got it. Move on the next question. Next is what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Now, what is the temperature of Srinagar? It is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So difference equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius plus minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now, what we have to, minus 2 and minus 8 equal to how many they are? It becomes 6 degrees Celsius. I think you all get it. Very good. Next question is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Now this question is here. Where is its solution? Its solution is here. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. First we have to add this temperature. Now the temperature of Srinagar is 5 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Shimla is around Srinagar is minus 2 and Shimla is 5 degrees. We add them, we get 3 degrees Celsius. The temperature at Shimla equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Now, therefore 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. Thus, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. I think you all get it. Very good. Now, there is also a part. Now, temperature of Srinagar equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. Because 3 is greater than minus 2. No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Because two questions will arise. The first is asking that can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? The answer is, what the answer is? We can say that it is less than, but when we are taking it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar, the answer is no. In the first case it is yes, and in the second case it is no. I think all you get it. Very good. Next on the next question. The next question is in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack score in 5 successive rounds, where 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Now, what is given in the question? In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer. Whenever we give a correct answer, we get positive marks, and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack score in 5 successive rounds, there are 5 successive rounds, were 25 in the first, minus 5 in the second, -10 in the third, and 15 in the fourth, and 10 in the fifth. So what was his total at the end? We have to find the total, so we add them. What we get after adding these? We get 25. Here you can see that plus minus is minus, plus minus is minus, -5 -10 -15. Now 25 minus 15 equal 10, 10 plus 25 equal to 35. Thus 35 marks are got by Jackie in a quiz. Okay, I think you all get it. Very good. Next is question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rise by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Now, starting the solution, first we write what is given in the question. The first thing is given. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar is -5 degrees Celsius. And then on Tuesday, temperature dropped 2 degrees Celsius. It means, what does it mean? It means -5 degrees Celsius, and then it will be dropped by 2 degrees Celsius more. So it will be -2 degrees Celsius. So now the temperature will be -7 degrees Celsius. You all can see here. Now on Wednesday, temperature rose up by 4 degrees Celsius. So now the temperature will be increased to -7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius equal to -3 degrees Celsius. Thus temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was -7 degrees Celsius and -3 degrees Celsius. I think you all get it. Very good. Next question is, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? You all can see this figure. Now here is the plane with the 500 meter above the sea level, and here is a submarine, so 1200 meter below the sea level. So what we have to find the vertical distance. So here is the zero level. You all can see on the screen. Here is the zero level. This is the sea level. And now when we go up, it will be 5,000 meter where is the plane is flying, and when we go downside, there will be 1200 meter downside. There is a submarine. So we have to find the vertical distance. It means we have to add this distance. So what we get? 5,000 plus 1200 is equal to 6,200. Now we see how can we write it. Height of a plane above the sea level. First we write the given things in the question. The first is 5,000 meter, and floating a submarine below the sea level is 1200 meter. The vertical distance between the plane and submarine is 5,000 plus 1200 equal to 6,200 meter. Thus the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine is 6,002 meter. I think you all got it. Very good. Now next question is, Mohan deposit 2,000 in his bank account and withdraw 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan account after the withdrawal. Now deposit amount, how much he deposit? 2,000, and withdrawal amount is 1,642. So what we have to do now? What is the difference between them? We have to subtract them. So 2,000 minus 1,642, what we get? 358. Thus the balance in Mohan account after withdrawal is 358. Now I think you all get it. Now at this our questions are also end for today. Now what you have to do, you have to solve these questions in your notebook. After solving them, you take the pic of them, and if you are registered on online school portal, you can upload it there. Below the video you see a section of upload assignment, and there is action switch of choose files. You can click there, and after it you can choose the corresponding pics. These pics will be sent to your class teacher. After it they will check it, and if any error is there, they will tell you. And if you are not registered on school online classroom yet, what you have to do, you have to take the pics of these after doing it in your notebook and send it to school official WhatsApp number. I think this is enough for today. Okay, God bless you all.